I'm hungry. I didn't even eat anything yet, so I think I'm going to try the Poffertjes. Comfort, I don't know how to say it. But those like mini pancakes. We'll try some. I just got a regular baked potato because they don't feel like pizza baked potato. That is really sweet. Just got done watching the show. It was so cute, so much fun for all the littles. You definitely don't want to miss the show and meet Bluey and Bingo. Got the Stumpfest cake, another Bluey food, and just a side salad.